Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to almost very bottom in order to find about phone, because here we have to find special number which is called build number. It's, as you can see, at the very bottom of this list. So right now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So we can go back in order to actually find the developer options, which are right here just above the about phone. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can don't keep activities, we can enable strict mode, or we can force GPU rendering, and so on and so on. So we've got plenty of options to customize. So for example, we can also stay awake. In order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on this switcher. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the select USB configuration, you can just tap on it in order to open the list of advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, just tap on this switcher on this blue background in order to turn them off, and as you can see, they are inactive. After getting back, they should disappear. We will check if they will. I hope that they will. Let me turn off the settings and let's check. Okay, as you can see in this device, they do not disappear, so it's better for you. All you have to do in order to customize them again, just tap on them and tap on the switcher here to turn them on. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.